Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Do you want to become rich in Pet Simulator 99? It's totally possible, and honestly, a lot of fun. We'll explore the top strategies to help you earn huge amounts of gems. Get ready to boost your in-game economy and truly master the market. One of the most consistent ways to earn gems is through efficient farming. Target the highest level areas you can comfortably clear, especially the big chests and safes. Make sure your best pets are equipped, and don't forget those valuable enchants and potions, like the treasure hunter ones. They seriously amplify your earnings. Trading is where real profit often happens. Always know the current market value of pets, eggs, and items. Prices fluctuate often. Your goal is to spot undervalued items, maybe a pet someone listed too cheaply, and then resell them for a nice profit. Spend time in the trading plaza, observing and striking when the opportunity arises. Don't underestimate the power of game events and exclusive items. New events often bring unique pets and powerful items that are only available for a short time. Grab as many of these as you can. Their value usually skyrockets once the event ends, creating fantastic flipping opportunities for patient players. To truly succeed, you need to stay updated on game changes and economic shifts. Prices can change rapidly, so knowledge is key. Remember, making significant profit takes patience and consistent effort. Connect with other players, share tips, and soon you'll be a Pet Simulator 99 millionaire.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.